It's Christmas morning and all is quiet. The children are off playing with their toys while the grown-ups are surely putting things together. And I wanted to step outside while there's a crisp in the air and share something special with you. It's a Scandinavian tradition to feed the birds on Christmas Day. To ensure good luck in the year ahead, spread birdseed on your doorstep Christmas morning for luck in the new year. I want luck in this new year. So I'm going to spread lots of seed for our birds to come bring me good luck in the new year. How sweet is that?